In this video, we are going to see the synthesis of cholesterol by Woodward, that is, Woodward synthesis of cholesterol. Here, look at the structure of these cholesterol molecules. Here you can see 8 chiral carbon in this molecule itself. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So the main difficulty of this preparation of this steroid is the stereochemical problem. That is, since it have 8 chirals and there will be 2 raised to 8, that is equal to 256 optical isomers are possible. So the synthesis of this cholesterol step by step, there will be a lot of isomers are formed. So the purification of this isomer will be very difficult. That is why the synthesis of cholesterol is a tedious task. There are a lot of scientists worked on this synthesis of cholesterol, but the Woodward synthesis of cholesterol is very important synthetic method. It was happened at 1951. Okay, he synthesized the first ring C, that is first C, then CD, then these two are formed, then B, C, D is prepared, then the whole A, B, C, D ring is prepared. This is the synthetic pathway of Woodward synthesis of cholesterol. This Woodward. Okay, so let us see the details of the preparation method.
Okay, the synthesis of cholesterol was started from 2-methoxyparacrosol. This is 2-methoxyparacrosol. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, when it is treated with dimethyl sulfate, the OH group is converted to OCH3 group. When it is treated with HNO3, since there is only activity groups are present in this ring, the electrophilic substitution reaction take place and NO2 group is attached here. Then it is reduced with tin and HCl, and this NO2 group is converted into NH2 group. When it is treated with FeCl3, it is converted into a quinoid form like this, that is 4-methoxy 2,5-toluquinone. 4-methoxy 2,5-toluquinone. Okay. Then this 2,5-methoxy-toluquinone will react with this compound. What is this? 1,3-butadiene. So Diels-Alder reaction take place. Then the reaction will be like this. This bond will be shifting here, and this bond will be shifting here, and this Diels-Alder adduct is formed. Okay, the cis isomer will be the major product. Then it is treated with alkaline condition and then acidified. This is for changing the stereochemistry of this bond. That is, this hydrogen is pointing upward here, and here it is downward. It is happening when it is treated with alkali. This double bond O is converted into its enol form. That is, this hydrogen will go here and this bond will be negative. Sorry, this bond will become double bond. Okay. Then when it is acidified, it again reconverted to keto form. Then the hydrogen is shifted from here or here to here. So a more stable transform is formed after these two reactions. Then it is treated with lithium aluminum hydride. We know that lithium aluminum hydride is a good reducing agent. Then one of this carbonyl group is reduced to OH. Then it is acidified. What happens this bond is hydrolyzed, and when it is hydrolyzed, it is like an enol form. So it is converted into its keto form. That is this structure. Then this molecule also is not much stable. That is why I am writing in a bracket. So this molecule easily eliminate one molecule of water. That is one hydrogen from here and one OH group from here. Then it form a double bond like this. When it is treated with the acetic anhydride for protecting this OH group, and then zinc and acetic anhydride, then what happens is this OH is removed, and the reduction reaction is taking place here. Then it is treated with the ethyl formate and NaOCH3. Then what is the condensation reaction take place? That is here when it is treated with NaOCH3, one hydrogen is removed from here and a carbanion is formed. This carbanion will attack at this for carbonyl group, and OC2H5 is eliminated, and we will get a compound like this. So the remaining portion will be discussed in next slide. Then this compound will react with the ethyl vinyl ketone. This is ethyl group, this is vinyl group, ethyl vinyl ketone. In presence of potassium tertiary butoxide, it will undergo Michael condensation. That is, this will attack at this position, and this group is converted to CHO group. So the attack of this ethyl vinyl ketone is from backside of this ring. Why? Because of the steric repulsion of this methyl group. So that this CHO group is this CHO group will be cis to this already existing CH3 group. Okay. So after that, it is undergoing internal aldol condensation. That is in presence of strong KOL solution. One of the hydrogen over here is replaced, and a carbanion is formed. Then this will attack over here, and this will go here. Then OH is formed. Then this group is this CH3. Then one water molecule is eliminated from here, this OH and adjacent H, and a double bond is formed here. So this cyclization is actually internal aldol condensation. After that, it is treated with the osmium tetroxide. Then osmium tetroxide is a dihydroxylating agent. So it will act at this isolated double bond and form a diol. So why this osmium tetroxide does not act on this? This is because these two double bonds are in conjugation with this oxygen. So it have some resonating structure like this. That is this may move here, and this may move here, and this may move here, etc. So this double bond have a this two double bond have a slight single bond character. That is why this osmium tetroxide only act at this isolated double bond. Okay. After that, this diol will react with acetone to form this compound. That is, two hydrogen from here and one oxygen from here is removed, and this C and 2CH3 group is attaching over here. Then it is selectively reduced using palladium and hydrogen in presence of strontium carbonate or chromium carbonate. Then what happens is only this double bond is selectively reduced. Then it again condenses with ethyl formate in presence of sodium ethoxide. So the mechanism will be in presence of CH3ONA. One of the hydrogen is removed from here, and this will attack at here. and this will go here, and this C2H5 is removed, and after elimination of water molecule we will get this compound. Then it is treated with methyl phenylamine, and it is substituted here. Then after elimination of one molecule of water, one hydrogen and one of OH group from here is removed, and this is attached here. So this is to prevent the reaction, any undesired condensation on here. Okay. Then it is again react with this acrylonitrile, and after hydrolysis, what happens is another COOH group is attached over here. That is, first of all, it will add at this carbon, and this bond will shift over here, that is here. Then this CN is hydrolyzed to COOH. Next we will see in next slide.
Okay, then this keto acid will react with acetic anhydride in presence of sodium acetate. What happens is this will condense to form a lactone. That is, one molecule of water is eliminated. That is, suppose consider this enol form of this ketone. That is, the bond between these two will be double bond, and here OH. Okay, that is this. Then this OH and this H is eliminated as water and form cyclic lactose, this molecule. Okay. When it is treated with the Grignard reagent CH3MgBr, the CH3 part will attack over here, and this will go here, and enol form is obtained. Then it is rearranged to this keto form, and this CH3 is attached over here. So we get this product. After that, when it is treated with the NaOH, then again a condensation reaction takes place. That is, one H is replaced from here, and it will attack over here, and there will be one OH group, and H from this will eliminate as water molecule, and a bond between C and C will be double bond. So this is the new bond formed by that reaction. Then it will react with the periodic acid HiO4. This bond is ruptured and become 2-aldehyde like this. When it is boiled in dioxide, and an internal condensation reaction takes place. So that condensation may take place in two ways. One is one proton is removed from here, and an anion is formed here, and that anion will attack this carbonyl carbon, and we will get a product like this after elimination of water. Okay, another product is hydrogen from here is not replacing, hydrogen from here is replacing, and a carbanion with negative charge is formed here, and that hydrogen from here is replacing, and a carbanion is formed with negative charge here, and that will attack at this carbonyl carbon, and a product with the CHO group here is may also obtained. But the major product will be this, that is electron from here is removed and will attack the carbonyl carbon of this carbon. This is because it is easy to remove this hydrogen, because this hydrogen is cis with this methyl group, but this hydrogen is only cis with this hydrogen. That is, this is methyl group and this is hydrogen. So greater instability is here. So it is easy to remove this hydrogen than this hydrogen. That is why all major product will be this. Okay. After that, it is oxidized using K2Cr2O7, and when treated with diazomethane, this ester form is obtained. Okay, first of all, this CHO group is converted to COH group. Then, when it is treated with CH2N2 diazomethane, it is converted to COOCH3. So after that, there will be more what when then it is treated with the NaBH4 for reduction of this carbonyl group. So after reduction, there will be introduction of new chiral centers. So there will be a racemic mixture of different products. So the resolution of plus form is needed. After resolution, it is again it is treated with the hydrogen and palladium to form this compound. This is then oxidized with CrO3 for oxidizing this OH group to carbonyl group. After that, this is reduced to corresponding OH, and also this COOCH3 is also hydrolyzed to form this carboxylic acid.
Then OH of this compound is protected using acetic anhydride. So monoacetate is formed here. Then it is treated with the thionyl chloride. So this one of these OH group is replaced by Cl and become an acid chloride. When it is treated with dimethyl cadmium, this Cl is replaced by this CH3 group. So we have COCH3 group over here. So the branch of this cholesterol is adding over here. That is, it is adding a Grignard reagent like this. So there will be a negative charge over this carbon, and this will attack at this carbonyl carbon, and this C double bond O become OH, and this CH3 is present as here. Then the other group is written like this. Okay. After heating, it is eliminated. It will eliminate one molecule of water to form a double bond like this. Then this double bond is hydrogenated using hydrogen at platinum, and this OAC is hydrolyzed using NaOH to form. Here OH is formed. Okay, after that, we should introduce a double bond over here. So, it is first it is oxidized to its corresponding ketone. Then it is treated with the bromine and HBr in acetic acid. So a bromine is attached or substituted here. Then when it is treated with heated in pyridine, then one molecule of HCl is eliminated, and conjugated form is formed. Conjugated compound like this is formed. Then when it is treated with acetyl chloride, this is again protected as OAC. Okay. Then at last it is reduced using lithium aluminum hydride, so that all the double bond, this double bond is reduced to OH group, and after that it is hydrolyzed. That is, this OAC bond is hydrolyzed using HCl to form OH. So this is the structure of cholesterol.